Looking for an easy way to display multiple store locations on your WordPress website? Meet NiMap, a powerful store locator plugin that helps your customers find stores quickly with interactive maps, search filters, and geolocation. First, install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for NiMap. Click Install Now, then Activate. In this setup wizard, you can configure key settings now or later in General Settings. First, enter your API key. Then create NiMap pages. Doing it here adds shortcodes automatically, while assigning pages later requires adding them manually. You can skip this step and set everything up in General Settings instead. You can enter the API key and create pages manually. Just add the shortcode like this and assign the page in the settings. That's it. Now, let's configure the map settings. In NiMap, Settings, Map, you can customize how the map behaves on your site. Choose whether to detect the user's location or set a default starting point using Load Location on Page Load option. If you select a default location, enter the latitude and longitude. Before learning how to create store, for better store organization, you should know how to categorize them using store categories. Go to NiMap Store Categories, click Add New Category, enter a category name, and save. Now, when adding a new store, you can assign it to a relevant category, making it easier for users to filter stores. Go to NiMap Manage Stores, Add New Store. Here, you'll enter the store details. First, enter the store name. Then enter the store address, and you may use the set coordinate to generate latitude, longitude, and other address fields. Then, specify other details like website, email, phone, fax number. Set up working hours for your store, and maybe add the store description or custom fields if needed. Now that we've added stores, let's take a quick look at customization options. With NiMap's design settings, you can adjust map layout, zoom levels, and styles. Configure how information is displayed. Customize the store locator search and filter options, including distance, categories, and sorting. Modify the store detail page with layout, fields, and buttons as you need. And you can use custom CSS for further styling. Once everything is set up, it's time to test your store locator. Go to your store locator page and try searching for a location. Check if the map updates correctly and displays stores. Test the filters and sorting options. Click on a store to check if all details and buttons work properly.